So my hubby's always telling me I gotta stop spending money on all this Disney stuff. And then for Valentine's Day, he buys me 2 Disney BaubleBars and a Pixar BaubleBar pair of earrings. So I may have a problem, but he is definitely like enabling that problem. I'm just saying. Stay tuned to see what I got. Just a bit of Texie dust. Now, of the 3 pair, you certainly cannot ask me which one is my favorite. My husband couldn't even decide on one pair to buy for me, so I can't decide which one is my favorite. There's the little Pooh Bears. Shall I try them on for you? I love, and I do mean love, a good BaubleBar. Disney BaubleBar. Chef's kiss. Pooh Bear. The fabulous Pooh Bear. Now I'm going to try on the Nala and Simba hearts for you. I love them. I love them. I love them. Simba and Nala. He bought me this pair knowing we're going to Animal Kingdom in May. And now we'll see how the little aliens dangle. Dangle, dangle, dangle. We all love a good dangle. And then last, but certainly not least, the little green aliens from Toy Story. So if you were wondering why a man would buy a gal 3 pairs of earrings for Valentine's Day, well, he knows I like them a lot, especially the big sparkly ones. My man knows me. He made me feel very loved on Valentine's Day.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!